I gotta load it first.
He's gotta load this thing. Semi-auto 22 with hollow points. Well, yeah. Anyways,
With hollow points.
this is the same day I shot myself in no recoiled 22 in the nuts. Anyways, it kind of hurt after he stopped recording. Anyways, he's going to spray the 22.
This is an old gun too.
Old gun, yeah. And you ready?
Oh, son. That's why I don't like old guns.
Watch, it's gonna misfire on me.
It is
so
too.
Bad. Crap. You can even see it. Can you even see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you.
Hand me that one. Never mind.
I hate old guns.
Where's the hole?
Everywhere. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it, can you?
That's sort of the first hole. That's the second hole. You can't see it very well because it's dark. Huh, there's Fatal's car. His window.
My window. Stop creeping.
And Fatal.
I love being
It's
able
sinister.
to buy 555 bullets for $18.
Well, we're out, I guess.